Today's adventure takes us through an area of North Dakota where my father grew up, near Lisbon. Please enjoy this beautiful state park with us. We are Brian, Deanna, and Princess. We travel for work while planning our homestead in Northeast Arizona. Please follow us on our adventures by subscribing and checking the bell to keep up with us while we enjoy positive living. Fort Ransom State Park in North Dakota is a hidden gem for anyone craving a peaceful escape to nature. Nestled in the scenic Sheyenne River Valley, this park offers stunning views, especially during the fall when the leaves turn vibrant shades of orange and red. It's a perfect spot for hiking, with trails that range from easy walks to more challenging routes through the rolling hills. The park also has great spots for camping, fishing, and even horseback riding. Plus, if you're into history, the area has deep roots tied to Norwegian settlers and the old military fort that once stood nearby. Whether you're looking to unwind by the river or explore the trails, Fort Ransom is a great place to reconnect with the outdoors. Fort Ransom State Park is also a home to a variety of beautiful wildflowers that bloom throughout the summer months. Some of the common wildflowers you may encounter include the prairie rose, which is also North Dakota's state flower, wild bergamot, known for its lavender color, which will also attract bees and butterflies, the black-eyed Susan, which is a bright yellow flower with a dark brown center that adds a beautiful, cheerful splash of color to the hillside. Purple coneflower, which is a tall, striking flower with purple petals and a prominent, spiky center, which I absolutely love and I think was probably my favorite. The goldenrod, which is clusters of small, bright yellow flowers that bloom late in the season, and the prairie blazing star, tall spikes of bright purple flowers that are a favorite amongst the pollinators. These wildflowers thrive in the park's prairies along the trails, adding vibrant color to the landscape and enhancing the natural beauty of the Sheyenne River Valley. Fort Ransom was a small military post established in 1867 in southeastern North Dakota, designed to protect settlers traveling along the Fort Cotton Trail. Named after Civil War General Thomas E.G. Ransom, the fort was part of the U.S. Army's efforts to establish peace in the region during a time of westward expansion. It was never a large or heavily fortified installation, but it served as a key outpost in the area. The fort was abandoned in 1872 as the perceived threat diminished, and settlers began to build communities. Today, while little remains of the original installation, its history is preserved through Fort Ransom State Park, where visitors can learn about the area's military and pioneer past, while enjoying the natural beauty of the Sheyenne River Valley. Thank you for watching. To see more content, follow the links below. Have a great day and enjoy positive living.